Blessings, people. Enough love, enough respect to you. Always love you all. Right now we in work. Here hardly have me here. There's something I have to change for a long while and I didn't so. Watch we are stranded. Watch we are stranded, my wife. By the way, what we're doing, we removing some of the fuel from the tank so the tank will be lighter. The fuel pump give up on me, so I'm just going about to take it down and change it. And as you can see, the fuel coming out. So by the time I take out a bucket, I think because it's about 3/4 of tank of fuel I have in it, so it will be so a lot heavier if I don't take it out to put it down, you know. So enough respect. Blessings. When I tell you to put on the key for me.
Okay.
And well, anyway, I will do it and you will tell me if you hear you home, right? You hear me?
Yeah. Yes. So now we are refilling the gas tank with the gas that was removed.
Yes, and we're moving out. After that, we're moving out. We do visa. Tell you here and I have it, you know. We want to do a lot of things for ourselves, you know. And we are proud. We are proud to know that we could do a lot of things for ourselves. We learn things because life is not on a one-way street. You have to learn things. Yes, there is many mechanics and they will do it. They will do awesome jobs, like awesome job. But at the end of the day, based on where you hold up, or sometimes you know they're not available and whatever. You need to do it your own. You know, just do simple. You just do things. You know. But anyway, I studied for that. I studied that all for a lot of years, years upon years. I've been studying engineering. So it's easy for me to diagnose when something is going wrong with me, and sometimes, not all the time, I will get it right, because unless I have a scan tool, and even though scan tools, you must read the code in order to know what's going on, whether it's the fuel system, the electrical system, you know, air, because you know definitely for a vehicle to function the way it's supposed to function, then you need fuel, spark, and air. And there's a balance between them. Just trying to put back the fuel now so we could get out of here and go home and have a nice evening. I don't know if you could see the fuel coming out from the hose, but you can see out. So we think, yes people, one time seat belt on, and we're gonna start the vehicle now. I sure it. No. I'm coming to Hair and Life. I sure it. You hear? Yeah. And we're moving.